my philosophy when it comes to investing in the stock market. I always look up to great investors syempre other than my dad sila, Warren
Yeah.
Buffett. One of his philosophies kasi is buy into brands that you love. 'Di ba? So he's bought into, let's say, Coca-Cola kasi mahilig siya mag-cook. He's bought into See's Candy and Gillette and whatnot. So ako, I buy into brands that I also love. Meaning, I buy into Jollibee kasi alam ko maraming tao gusto ng Jollibee.
Tama,
So,
tama.
kailan ba mawawala ng business si Jollibee, 'di ba? Kasi everyone loves Chicken Joy, everyone loves spaghetti. And yun, it cuts across different industries as well, like the banks, like the malls, 'di ba? Mahilig ako ng mall. So in terms of that
Yeah.
philosophy, parang how can those companies uh, go down, 'di ba? Pero
Yeah.
again, long-term perspective